a step-by-step guide on how you can send money using Western Union. So here, what we want to do is just first load up the Western Union app and log in with your information. Now, once we have been successfully logged in, I will show you, just going to give it some time here to load up. Okay, so how can we send money? So first we need to select the country to which we are sending money. So for example here, if we are sending money to Belgium, we will need to type the amount. Now it's going to be in your currency, so your country's currency. So here I'll just type the amount which I want to send, like so. It is automatically going to convert it to that specific country's main currency, and it's going to calculate how much it's going to send. Now, how will the receiver get it? So we can choose cash pickup here, like this. This is the only option. And how will I pay? I will pay in cash. So just like that, you have to go to a Western Union, representative office. Now it's going to give you the summary, the exchange rate, everything like that. And then we can just click on next. So after we have typed on next, it's going to show us this. After your money has been picked up or deposited, it cannot be refunded. So we will need to type the receiver's information. So we will need to write their first name, their last name, middle name is optional, and email is optional. But I suggest giving their phone number or writing their phone number. So it's going to give you the code for the specific country and just add their phone number. So after we have done this, I will just complete it with a sample. So after we have completed this info here, then you will just review all of the information. And if we click on next, then it's going to just ask us to confirm the money transaction. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.